Hi students, welcome back to @Valley Math channel. In this video, I am going to explain the introduction part of tangents and secants to a circle. Now, what is a circle? The circle means the locus of points, which are joined by a curve, and are equidistant from a fixed point, which are joined by a curve and are equidistant from a fixed point. This is the fixed point. This fixed point is known as center of the circle. This fixed point is known as center of the circle. Now, from this fixed point, from this center, if we draw any line segment to any point on the circle, that is called radius. Line segment from center to any point on the circle. Now you see this one, from this fixed point, if one line segment is passing through the fixed point, from this fixed point, if it is passing through like this, or else this one, this is called diameter. What we call it as diameter. A line segment whose end points lies on the circle and which is passing through the center is called diameter. So diameter is equals to 2 times radius. 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Diameter is equals to 2 into radius. Now you see this one. Here one line segment whose end point lies on the circle. Here it is not passing through the center. So this is called chord. Chord. Here a line segment whose end points lies on the circle, and this diameter is also a chord. This is longest chord. Longest chord is diameter. So a line segment, this is also a chord. So a line segment whose end points lies on the circle. This is one end point and this is one end point. A line segment whose end points lies on the circle is known as chord of the circle. So longest chord is what? Diameter. Longest chord is diameter. Now next one is, see here, this is from this is one radius, this is one more radius, and this part, whatever I joined, that part is known as sector of the circle. Sector of the circle. You see, separately I'll draw here. This is part of the circle. Sector of the sector. This is called sector. And here radii will make the angle at the center. So to find the area of the sector, we have one formula, that is x by 360 degrees into pi r square. X by 360 degrees into pi r square. Sector area formula this is. And you see here, I'm plotting 3 points. This is, see here, this is 1 and this is 1. These are arcs. See here, A and B, AB, one arc. Same like that, BC, one more arc. Part of the circle. Part of the circle. Now, next one is, see here, if I draw one chord like this, if I shade this, the shaded region, whatever is there, that is called minor segment. The shaded region is called minor segment. Minor segment. Next one, you see here, this is one chord, and the shaded region you see, this is major segment. The shaded part is called major segment. The remaining part, this one, this is major segment. Above one is minor segment, this is major segment. Now next, this is minimum basic concepts of the circle. Now the new concept, whatever we are getting in this chapter, is tangents and secants to a circle. What is a tangent to a circle? If one line touches the circle at only one point, like this, see here, if one line touches the circle at only one point, that is called tangent to a circle. See, I am drawing here separately. If one line touches the circle at only one point is called tangent to a circle. This is tangent to a circle. Here, tangent touches the circle at only one point. This point is called point of contact. Point of contact. It makes 90 degrees angle with the 90 degrees angle with the radius. So this is tangent to a circle. A tangent where it touches the circle, that point is called point of contact. And the tangent to the circle where it touches that point is called tangent, the point of contact, and it will make 90 degrees angle with the radius. This point of contact always perpendicular. This radius is always perpendicular to this tangent, and here it will make 90 degrees angle. So this is point of contact and this is tangent to a circle. Now what about secant to a circle? If one line passes through the circle, if one line passes through the circle and it touches the circle at two distinct points, here one, two distinct points. This is called secant to a circle. Secant to a circle. This is about the introduction part of the tangents and secants to a circle. If you have any doubts, comment